property of addition and subtraction. So, closure property of addition, a plus b. If a is any integer and b is any other integer, sum of these two will be integer. So that's called closure property for addition. Closure property of addition. Now closure property of subtraction. If a is any integer, integer means it can be positive number, it can be negative number, or it can be 0. Minus b. If we will do a minus b, it should be c. A is an integer, b is an integer, c also an integer. So that's called closure property of subtraction. So we can say integers are closed under addition, integers are closed under subtraction. That already we read that one. So now we are doing closure property of multiplication. Closure property of multiplication of integers. इंटीजर्स के लिए क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी पर है. सो इफ a is any integer and b is any other integer, so when you multiply both, a is an integer, b is any other integer, so if you multiply both, so you get c, that is another integer. It means product of two integers will be integer. That's called closure property of multiplication. When you multiply two integers, so product should be integer. So a integer है, b also integer. When we multiply both, you will get c. Let's check that one by example. Suppose a is 2 and b is 1. Okay, when you multiply both, so what you will get? 2 into 1. 2 1 ja 2. 2 is a positive integer. 2 कैसा integer है? Positive. No sign here, that means it is positive. A, no sign here, it means that also positive. When you multiply 2 and 1, you will get 2. Integer into integer equals to integer. One more example. 4. 4 is a positive integer multiplied by 5. 5 also a positive integer. No sign, it means positive integer. That also positive integer. When you multiply both, 4 5 is 20. 4 is a positive integer, 5 is a positive integer, and product you are getting positive integer. That's called closure property of multiplication for integer. Okay, positive integer into positive integer equals to positive integer. So rule is a into b equals to c. A integer, b any other integer. When you multiply both, you will get c. So 4 is a positive integer, 5 also a positive integer. When we multiply both, we are getting positive integer. Now what happens if one is positive, one is negative? Suppose minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. Okay, sign of 2 is minus. So it means that is negative integer. that is positive integer. So when you multiply integers, so first you have to multiply sign to sign. Here minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, and number to number. 3 to the 6. Okay, negative integer into positive integer equals to negative integer. Integer into integer equals to integer. So that's called closure property of multiplication of integers. Positive integer into positive integer equals to, you are getting positive integer. Negative integer into positive integer, you are getting negative integer. Now negative integer into negative integer. Minus 3. Minus 3 negative integer into minus 4. Both are negative integer. Minus, here minus sign, so that is negative integer. Here minus sign, that's also negative integer. Minus into minus. Whenever you have to multiply integer to integer, so firstly you have to multiply sign to sign. Sign to sign you have to multiply. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. And 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. Or simply we can write this one like that. You know that no need to show plus sign. If you are writing like that, mean of that is positive. So integer into integer equals to integer. Okay. What happens when we multiply with 0? 4 into 0. 4 is an integer, 0 also an integer, equals to 4 0 is 0. When you multiply any number with 0, so you will get 0. Integer into integer equals to integer. Okay. We multiply positive integer with positive integer, so product coming positive integer. When we multiply, here coming positive integer. When we multiply negative integer with negative integer, then also you are getting positive integer. Now after that, when you multiply negative integer with positive integer, so what you are getting? Negative integer. Negative integer into positive integer. Now positive integer 6. Okay, 6 is a positive integer into minus 3. Positive integer into negative integer equals to, what you will get? Sign of 6 plus sign. No sign, it means plus sign. Plus into minus. Whenever you have to multiply integer, you will multiply sign to sign. Plus into minus, minus. And 6 into 3. 6 3 is 18. Okay. So, your product coming minus 18. Integer into integer equals to integer. So focus on that one. Whenever we multiply integer to integer, we are getting integer. इंटीजर को इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको इंटीजर ही मिल रहा है. तो इट मीन क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी एप्लीकेबल फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स. क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी एप्लीकेबल फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंटीजर. इंटीजर को इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपको इंटीजर मिलना चाहिए. इफ यू आर गेटिंग इंटीजर इट मीन क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एप्लीकेबल फॉर इंटीजर. इंटीजर इनटू इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू इंटीजर. इंटीजर इनटू इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू इंटीजर. integer into integer equals to integer. Integer into integer equals to integer. Integer into integer equals to integer. So in each case you are getting integer. Okay, so when we multiply two integers, so product will be an integer. It may be positive, it may be negative, or it may be zero. That depends on condition. Okay, when we multiply positive integer to positive integer, तो product आपको मिलेगा positive integer. Positive, you know that rule, plus into plus equals to plus. It means positive integer into positive integer equals to positive integer. Look first case. First case में positive integer multiplied with positive integer, so product coming positive integer. Case first. Case second. Look this one. Case second. Negative integer into negative integer equals to positive integer. You know that minus into minus equals to, जब आप दो माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलता है? पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो नेगेटिव इंटीजर इनटू नेगेटिव इंटीजर इक्वल्स टू पॉजिटिव. इट मीन व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई सेम साइन और सेम इंटीजर, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर को पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी आपको पॉजिटिव इंटीजर मिलेगा. नेगेटिव इंटीजर से नेगेटिव इंटीजर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन आल्सो यू विल गेट पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. सेम इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमेशा पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ही मिलेगा. ओके, नाउ थर्ड केस, दैट्स आवर थर्ड केस. नेगेटिव इंटीजर इनटू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, सो प्रोडक्ट विल बी नेगेटिव इंटीजर. नेगेटिव इंटीजर को मल्टीप्लाई किया पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से तो आपका प्रोडक्ट मिला नेगेटिव इंटीजर. ओके, नेगेटिव इनटू पॉजिटिव इक्वल्स टू नेगेटिव. केस थर्ड, माइनस इनटू प्लस. जब आप माइनस और प्लस को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलता है? माइनस. इट मीन्स negative integer into positive integer equals to negative integer. Here same sign, so you get positive. Here same sign, then also you get positive. But here are different sign. Different sign means you have two different integer, one positive, one negative. So this is positive, this is negative. तो आपको negative integer मिलेगा इस केस में. Okay, one more, fourth case. Positive integer into negative integer equals to negative integer. Positive integer plus into minus equals to minus. Positive plus means positive integer minus negative integer and product will be negative. It means negative integer. So remember that when we will multiply same integers, always we will get positive integers. But when we multiply different integers, एक पॉजिटिव होगा, दूसरा एक पॉजिटिव, दूसरा नेगेटिव, तो आपको कैसा इंटीजर मिलेगा? नेगेटिव इंटीजर मिलेगा. एक पॉजिटिव, अदर नेगेटिव, तो आपको कैसा मिलेगा? नेगेटिव integer. In these two cases you will get negative integer. But whenever you multiply integer to integer, you will get an integer. So that's called closure property of multiplication of integer. So we can say closure property of multiplication of integer applicable जब इंटीजर को इंटीजर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको इंटीजर मिल रहा है. इट मीन क्लोजर property of multiplication is applicable. Okay. Now here we written multiplication and division. Division. Closure property of division. So we have to check for division. Closure property of division. Closure property of division. Okay, closure property of division of integers. अब हम integers के लिए closure property चेक करेंगे for division. So when you are writing like that, a plus b equals to c. A, and when you are doing subtraction, a minus b equals to c. And when you are multiplying, a into b equals to c. A integer, b integer, c also integer. That for addition, that for subtraction, that for multiplication. Now we are checking for division. A divided by b. So what will happen when you will divide a by b? A is an integer, b is other integer. So what happens when you divide two integers? Let a equals to 4 and b equals to 2. a equals to 4, b equals to 2. a की जगह हमने 4 लिख दिया, 4 divided by 2. Same thing you can write 4 upon 2. So when you will do divide, you will get 2. This one dividend, this one divisor. Divisor means जिससे divide करना है, and dividend means जिसमें divide करना है. So you can write same thing like that also. So here you are getting integer. Okay. So we can write 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. A divided by b equals to c. In this case you are getting integer divided by integer equals to integer. इस केस में आपको integers को integer से divide किया तो integer मिला. Now look another case. Second case. Second case. Suppose a equals to 2 and b equals to 4. अब हमने चेंज कर दिया, a को कर दिया 2 and b को कर दिया 4. a divided by b. a में डिवाइड करना है b से, तो a is 2 divided by 4. You can write this one 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 1 upon 2. Okay, 2 divided by 4 equals to 1 by 2. Integer divided by integer. But 1 by 2 is not an integer. 1 by 2 integer नहीं है. What is 1 by 2? This is fraction. 1 by 2 is a fraction. So integer divided by integer. You are not getting integer. यहाँ पे तो मिला, यहाँ पे तो integer मिला, but यहाँ पे नहीं मिला. When condition applicable for all cases, then we say it is applicable. we will say this one not applicable. यहाँ आपने इंटीजर को इंटीजर से डिवाइड किया तो इंटीजर मिला, बट इन दिस केस व्हेन 2 is smaller than 4, आपका जो डिविडेंड था डिवाइडर से छोटा था तो आपको इंटीजर नहीं मिला. तो इन दैट केस वी विल से क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन नॉट एप्लीकेबल. ओके, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर इंटीजर. इंटीजर को इंटीजर से डिवाइड करें तो आपको इंटीजर मिलना चाहिए. सो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन नॉट एप्लीकेबल. So we can't write a divided by b equals to c. We can't write this one. Sometimes it may be happen, जैसे यहाँ पे तो मिला, but in this case you are not getting. कभी मिलता है, कभी नहीं मिलता है. अब कब मिलेगा? When a will be greater than b. And here also should be case a should be multiple of b, तभी आपको यहाँ पे इंटीजर मिलेगा, अदरवाइज आपका आंसर डेसिमल में आ जाएगा. Look one more example. Suppose a divided by b, a equals to 6 and b equals to 4. 6 divided by 4. Okay, a divided by b, तो 6 आपका हो गया डिविडेंड, 4 हो गया डिवाइजर. 6 को 4 से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. यू कैन राइट सेम थिंग लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. 6 upon 4 कैंसिल आउट बाय 2. 2 3 जा 2 2 जा, तो you are getting 3 by 2. This one a fraction. If you do divide, so 3 numerator divided by denominator, numerator